Yankton County is preparing for another round of severe storms that may bring some wet weather to a town that is already recovering from floods.
KCAU-9's Tasha Nevels tonight telling us what the city's doing to prepare and how they plan to keep the community safe. That's tonight's top story.
The city of Yankton is meeting with emergency responders tomorrow to map out the roads still safe for travel during the upcoming snowstorms. It's a difficult task because many gravel roads are still closed.
It's going to be a real tough challenge if we get the moisture that they're anticipating it coming here.
As Yankton prepares for more rain and possible snow, many roads leading to nearby homes and farms remain closed due to damage during the March floods.
But we still understand that people have to feed their cattle. Propane has to be delivered because people's homes need to have heating, cooking, stuff like that. We get that, and we're not saying you can't do that. We just try to do it in a manner that you don't do any more damage. Do as least damage as you possibly can.
Right now, Yankton is asking drivers to stay off all closed roads. It's a detour affecting people like Louis Volan, who owns a gravel company and travels these roads often.
It has impacted us because my company, we played roads in 5 townships, and the roads have turned to marshmallow cream. And the more you try to do, the worse they get.
Yankton County's emergency manager says right now they can't make many of the needed repairs, but they are working on several strategies that will allow emergency vehicles to access homes along these closed roads during the snowstorm.
But we are meeting tomorrow to refine a plan to make sure that everything is going to be in place so that we can get there.
Drivers in the area say they have no choice but to wait the storm out and hope for the best.
The snow on top of them is going to make them miserable, and if we have to try to move the snow off the top of a mushy road, it's going to be a disaster.
For a list of the roads that are currently closed, visit SiouxlandProud.com. Tasha Nevels, KCAU 9 News.